All right, guys. Good and welcome. We have this question from JAM 1989, question 18, where we are asked to simplify 324 minus 4x squared divided by 2x plus 18. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Then we note this before we continue, that our numerator is a difference of two square expression. This is because 324 is equal to 18 squared. Having these at the back of our minds, we proceed as follows to write out our expression: 324 minus 4x squared, all divided by 2x plus 18. Now this is equal to, bracket open, we have 18 bracket close square minus bracket open 2x bracket close square. Our 4 is same thing as 2 square, so we change 4 to 2 and we apply a bracket and a square to both 2 and x. Now you underline this. At our denominator we have 2x plus 18. Now our numerator, being the fact that is a difference of two square expression, we have this to be equal to, bracket open, 18 minus 2x bracket close bracket open, 18 plus 2x bracket close divided by 2x plus 18. Now we notice that at our numerator we have a bracket open, 18 plus 2x bracket close, while at our denominator we have 2x plus 18. These are similar terms, hence cancel out. We are left with 18 minus 2x. However, it's still possible for us to factor out minus 2 from this. So we factor out minus 2, and we end up having minus 2 bracket open, x minus 9 bracket close as our final answer to this question. Thank you.